working on converting 2 of these box cars. They were built in the 60s. Freight box cars are like a big semi truck for the railroad, converting them into passenger cars for us. And this one right here is in the welding stage right now. We've cut all the holes in the sides for the new windows and such, and got the main framing together. And then this one over here, got the windows all in, and we're on into the interior, doing all the interior work. They're 50 feet long by about 9.5 foot wide. On the rails, they're about 14.5 feet tall. So in here, we've got most of the insulation work done. It's going to be insulated for winter operations. As you can see, the windows are in. Gives us a nice warm place to work on cold days. And then slowly working on electrical and other stuff. We're going to have booth seating, like restaurant booths. And then these ones are going to be raised up a little bit so you can look over these people to look down the views down the valley and stuff. And I'm going to have nice historical motif to the whole car. So we're hoping to have this particular car done and in service for the first train trip of the summer, Memorial Day weekend.